Deva Bratt again. This man now ease up. You see me gang with the other one the name Kruze. Yeah man, okay, I talk some luxury pan the one no gang. We don't know we're check it out and see dog I deal with. Let's get it.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Yeah man gang, let me say Deva back at it again with another track. Come with track after track after track after track. You see me the one named Kruze. I check it out and see the Bratt I deal with. You see me and say, Deva Bratt is back at it. The one I guess probably RealestGadd music. You see me, I check it out and see what dog I deal with. Let me say. And Deva come out with the cartel and Sean Stamp. This all eyes has been on him. We don't know where dog come with it. You see me and say so. Everybody's on edge and everybody on the lookout to see what dog I deal with. I drop some song in the meantime. I don't know if I'm go back to that or whatever dog I deal with. We there check out the dog in tune and see what dog I deal with. Now will be vibes. We check out the one Deva Bratt Kruze. Let's get it.
I saw me just roll out the black palm black drop top. Champagne a pop, gal booty clap clap clap. Me team a chop, a clean attack. A we the whole of the gal them a pre. Gal say she want cruise, so me say alright then. She and her friend a jumping on the car then. In a new Marshall a the Louis Vuitton them. Me verse them sashi so me balance it them. Boy violate straight violent.
Yeah man, this is the type of shit I expect from Deva, bro. Come on, we take it away. This is why I'm saying. This is why I'm paying attention to the Deva right now. We don't know I got job tune and we know we're gonna get some bangers out tight, you know. We know we'll get some bangers. Come on. We know we'll get some bangers out of this man. Last time I tell you say yo, Deva does a one but try feel himself again, you know. Once the feel and get back in and go, I get
I saw me just roll out the black palm black drop top. Champagne a pop, gal booty clap clap clap. Me team a chop, a clean attack. A we the whole of the gal them a pre. Gal say she want cruise, so me say alright then. She and her friend a jumping on the car then. In a new Marshall a the Louis Vuitton them. Me verse them sashi so me balance it them.
Verse them sashi so me balance.
Boy violate straight violence in them. Walter PPK with the silence in them. Kong in the soup boy a boy left for them. The pin file and them for dead we have a Kyle left for them. This spaceship just lift up. Anywhere we touch down the whole place get up, get up. Who for head no hurt them catch pick up. 9 ball in a eye ball boy piss up.
Place lift up. Who for head no hurt catch pick up.
No play loose ball so nothing say I kick up. Black talent make bulletproof vest rip up.
The girl wine and tip up the clip them all a tip up.
Bad girl may pick up my gun.
Young get weak when she fit the bad beat. Pull up her feet, a Gucci print out on me touchy concrete. Jump on the eye, we a do the top speed. Drop the sunroof, let in.
Oh wait. I never featuring RealestGadd or Pelpieblackz, Murdah Mike, Elquent DiDon. Oh the hell?
Cool breeze, I am a full of style. Me no know how me do it cause any game 4 man turn I'm in a free. Them gal I got skills, me no feel no teeth. When she a give me deep short, not roll the block.
Them gal I got skills, we no feel no talk short, go on.
One block. The jeans them chop, sneakers just drop. Drip round my neck and some in on my backpack. Be my drop top, that's straight cash. Getting lots of money, yeah. We living life, yeah, we do this. Yeah. Every night's like a movie, yeah. Cruising the Benz, cruising.
One team out, clean out, touching out. I grade puffy note, girl like nothing note. Wine and broken out, colleague out note.
Gal like nothing out.
Putting out, girl work something out. A straight to my house, so make her drive out. Your girl no reach home that you want her about. She still a listen to the song you want her about. The girl in the house and him a call her out.
Me and my new crew cruise show real smooth too. Nothing but BBS's and fresh new shoe. Yeah, me have a chopper, me girl have a toto. Stop a celebrity cut and go link the
Chopper, me gal have a tooth. I mean, nah, man.
clean crew, you know we do. No, we no go low. Banger and G ruling, the girl let me know the crew. Crack a down, cups up, champagne and splash with flavour too. And the RR red and the blue. I saw me just roll out the black palm black drop top. Champagne a pop, girl booty clap clap clap. Me team a chop, a clean attack. A we the whole of the girl them a pre. Girl say she want crew.
We gal them a pre dog. And I go school me now there over there.
So me say alright then. She and her friend a jumping on the car then. In a new Marshall a the Louis Vuitton them. My verse them sashi so me balance it them. Boy violate straight violence in them. Walter PPK with the silence in them. Corn in the soup where your boy left for them. The pin file and them for dead, we have a Kyle left for them.
This spaceship just lift up. Anywhere we touch on the whole place, get up, get up. Who for earth, no earth, them catch hiccup. Dime ball in a eye ball, boy, piss up. No play loose ball, so nothing.
Ball in a eye, boy. Let me say, hey, go on.
They kick up black talent, make bulletproof vest rip up. They get wine and tip up the clip, them all let tip up. Bad girl we pick up Marga and pick up.
Get weak when you take the
That's facts. Bad girl will pick up Marga and pick up. I want to hear, man.
beef pull up our feet, a Gucci print out, come and touch the concrete. Jump on the eye, we a do the top speed. Drop the sunroof, let in the cool breeze. I am a full of style, me no know how me do it. Cause any girl 4 man turn them in a freak. Them girl I got skills, me no feel no teeth. When she a give me deep shot, not front seat.
Alright, Deva, back at it. Alright. See, this is the type of track I'm telling you about. Once Deva wake up, get back in and go. This is the type of track you're gonna get. This is just a beginning as well. You see me answer the one named Kruze, Deva Bratt Kruze, you know, RealestGadd, the Pelpieblackz, Murdah, Mike, and Elquent DiDon Kruze. You see me answer? Deva back at it, man. Deva back at it and give you some tunes, some vibes. I gotta try bring back, I would say, like the early 2000s while giving us this up-to-date flow and style. Deva doing thing, bro. I'm really interested to see what Deva wants to fully get back into. You see me? Or fully get back into him. So I'm really interested to see the tracks that come. You see me? That probably all, yeah? Yeah, we never know. But we there watch and see what I go on. Let me know what you think in the comment section though, gang. But the favorite part was beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. If you like it, definitely go show the artist on the support. You know, so the dance, you know. You see me? I'm saying? So big up Deva Bratt, the one named Kruze. Yeah, man, I enjoy this track. You see me? I'm saying? Yeah, Deva Bratt, keep do your thing, my G. We there, look out, you know, man. Yeah, I hear time now, my G. So, yeah, we there, look out. People want to hear from you. So, use your time wisely. You see me? Deva can make a wicked come back, you know. Yeah, anyway, till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other, guys.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.